is Liezel from my kitchen to yours. We're going to do something very simple, and that's something that's very popular, is a breakfast wrap. A breakfast wrap is a very easy thing to do, and that's what I'm going to show you today, and to also show you that you don't need special tools or pans or whatever to get the job done and still make it delicious. So let's get started. So before you can make your breakfast wrap, you have to have your oil ready and heat it up so that you can fry your fish fingers. Then you also have your paper towel in a little dish for where your fish fingers gonna rest and absorb the extra oil. And then you have your breakfast wrap that you can put in a microwave. You don't have to start it yet, just that you basically get started, that you don't rush when all the ingredients are ready and it's all nice and soft to fold. So we put this in the microwave for later, and then now we can basically start with cracking some eggs. Let's do it, guys. It's so easy. If you don't know how to crack an egg, you literally any surface, crack on one side, press your thumb and pull away. There you go, there's one. We're gonna use 3 eggs, and that can basically make 2 wraps. It's very much almost like making an omelette. Break away, fold nice and neat, and then a nappy and a cloth, and let's whisk. Then there's a fork always, depending on how many wraps you're making. Fork works for me. It's just 3 eggs, and that's whisked, and then you can basically now season. I just use a little bit of pepper, a tiny pinch of salt, some parsley, just gives the wrap and the egg just a little bit of color as well. Do the same when I do my omelets, and then some paprika, just put a little bit of extra depending on how many, that's all up to you. And then now let's get started on the cooking process. Basically, when you see it starting to retract from the sides of the pan, it is basically ready. At this point, this could also be called an omelette, but I just like to do it like this. Then it also stays. I just literally have to cut it in half, and I have 2 pieces for the wrap. If you would, so an omelette basically would be the same spot, and I just flip, put off the heat. That's it. And then I can just cut it in 2, and that will be the inside of my wrap. Now we're gonna go and put it onto our wrap, and there you go, on the big wrap, there you go, and on the small wrap you can even just double it, there you go, nice little wrap. Okay, nice and generous. If you want, you can even puzzle it. And then whatever toppings you like on it, it will be coming in here. I use some fish fingers. I love fish fingers since I was a child. So, well, who doesn't like fish fingers? Tomatoes. My husband loves his avocado, so for this video we'll definitely put some avocado also on. It's not why you heat it up, it's basically that it cracks. It can crack if it's not heated up. It has been now a little bit taking this video, but you just fold over the bottom, then the side, hold into the inside, and just fold over. You can either use it on this side, otherwise feel free to also use some toothpicks. And there you have it. Yum! Do you see that? And it was so easy, took less than 5 minutes to make, so why not? Try it, guys. You don't have to go spend a fortune on a lovely breakfast wrap.